unang-una, naging scholar ako dito kasi because of this art. Sinabit ko to. Isa pala ako sa art scholar ng KTI. So, ngayon, pinakita ko din sa yung phone na to, yung allowance ko dito. Pinamili ng phone ko na to. And, ito. So, for me siguro, ang gagawin ko lang ngayon is to share something, some words of wisdom to the mga ibang current scholars din. So, ang tip ko sa inyo ngayon is ang word na excellence. Di ba when you go out there, parang when you go somewhere, when you're looking for some coffee, isip ka kung anong coffee, maisip mo agad minsan Starbucks or Coffee Bean, ganyan. Kasi in some way, they excel in their field. They excel in what they're doing. And in the same way, it must go with us too. Parang, we must excel in our own way. So, ang una kong point is be the best of wherever you are. Just be the best. And you cannot be the best in boxing or in accounting or in engineering, but you can be the best kung nasan ka man ngayon. Kung hanggang ano yung kaya mong achieve, be the best dun sa portion mo na yan. And do your part, do your thing. And next one is go beyond the standards. When we say that ito yung standard, we have to go way over and beyond it. Kasi minsan inisip natin, pwede na to, ganyan. Sige, siguro yung pinakamatalino nga sa klase na nakuha lang, 85. So parang nagkakaroon ng standard. Pero why not aim for 100? Why not aim for more than that? And kasi may mga bonus, plus 10 points. So we can aim for that. So alam mo yun, kasi at the end of the day, we're not aiming for mediocrity na pwede na. But we must aim for excellence because we're scholars, so that's what is expected of us, to be excellent in our own way. And the last one is you will reap your reward. When you become excellent on your part, you will reap your reward. And parang like Manny Pacquiao, he became excellent on his area. So, alam mo yun, talagang nag-gather niya lahat ng tiyan mo, ang dami niya na-achieve sa buhay, ang daming nangyari sa kanya, and kasi hindi siya tumigil he did not stop there. So, ayun lang siguro for this time is, yun, parang sabi nga sa Bible is, when you work, you will not work to unknown men, but you will work to kings. So parang hindi ka mag-work lang sa mga hindi kilalang tao, but you will work dun sa mga known people. So that's one of the reward of being excellent. So yun lang. So hopefully may napulot yan.